Hello everyone! As you can see, we have the last Clone Commander in this 3-box unboxing here. We've already done Gree and Wolffe, and now it's time for Bly. No reason to include our digital assistant to randomly select who we're going to be unboxing because it's the last one. If you missed Gree or Wolffe, I'll make sure to include links up here. If you have any questions while we're going through this, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, and last thing, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. That way you can see future unboxings and future videos. So, with that, let's go ahead and take a closer look at Clone Commander Bly. So, get the trusty knife out here. Actually, before we do that, getting ahead of myself here, let's take a look at the outside of the box first. There we go. All right, so make sure we're focused. Good. So it looks like we're going to get a rifle. He's got 2 blasters, as you would expect, and they are already in the holster, which is interesting. This is red box number 104, is the first of these 3 that has a number designation. It also has Echo 6064. On the back here, it says, Clone Commander Bly, a veteran of many Clone Wars battles. Clone Commander Bly, clone designation CC5052, served in the 527th Star Corps on such worlds as Quell, Maridun, and Felucia. All right, and then we've got that there, and now we finally get to unbox Bly here. All right. Don't need that. Just cleaning up a little bit here. A little housekeeping. There we go. Okay. We got our blaster. Our rifle, I should say. And then we have our main man, Bly, right here. Wow, he's got a lot of weathering and... Oof. That needs to be fixed. I don't know if that was me unboxing or what, but there we go. All fixed. All better. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and take our other troopers off to the side here so we can take a closer look at Clone Commander Bly. All right, so I just wanted to make sure that we gave Bly his due here. Let's take a look at his rifle first. His rifle is just kind of eh. Our closest out of the series would be the one from Gree, and as you can see, it's the exact same mold, but the color is different, but not really any other articulation or anything like that that would be helpful. And there you go. Again, not too much to say. I almost like Gree's better, but anyways. Let's take a look. It looks like his helmet does not come off. The pauldrons here look actually really cool. I like that. And then, all right, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. Helmet does turn. Does not really give us any head tilt. The visor does come down, which is good. Arms, so much better than Gree and Wolffe. Awesome. So we're able to get full movement as you would hope. The arms do move at below the shoulder, and that's about what we're gonna get. So we get the 90, which is good. The pauldron here does kind of limit our movement. Where is that supposed to go? I think that's supposed to go in there. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. I don't know. We'll come back to that. Wrist, it is a left-right. This one is an up-down, which is good. Decent movement here, but as you saw, I was messing with this guy. The belt here does look like it's kind of loose. But we are able to get good motion here because it's not attached on that belt. We do have soft goods, as you would expect. Left, right. I mean, we're able to get the full movement here below, and then pretty good movement there as well. So, I mean, overall, pretty good. And then we've got his blasters. there's nothing to write home about. Those are standard blasters there. So, yeah. But when it comes to his feet, I think they did a really good job on the weathering. I'm liking this so far, so far so good. So let's go ahead and take some pictures. We'll be back. We'll talk about some of the things we like and or did not like about the figure. Alright, well that was definitely a better look at Bly there. I hope you liked what you saw. If you had any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. So overall, just like the other two, these are gonna look. Bly is gonna look great on the shelf. You know, he's not that articulated. I think he looks great. However, I was a little upset with his ability to hold the guns akimbo, but that was the same problem that I had with Wolffe, and I've had with other Black Series figures as well. Overall, though, he's going to look great on the shelf. I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to say anything else. If you can get him and you want to add him to your collection, I think he'll look great. If you have any questions, though, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, including Star Wars The Black Series, and other things as well, like going to theme parks, home automation, electronics, and basically anything that is of interest to me, and hopefully will be of interest to you as well. If you missed the unboxings of Gree or Wolffe, make sure to check those videos out. If you have ideas for future videos, make sure to also leave them in a comment down below. I like to listen to your ideas as well. So with that, have a great day.